Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here, back with another video for you, and I am truly excited about sharing this information with you. This is an incredible program. There's really more here than meets the eye, okay? You can actually join this program for free and then take advantages of the many programs within the system. This is one of those programs, okay? And if you look here for me, it says traffic to 5 websites for 1 full year. Okay, so traffic to 5 websites for 1 full year. Our rotator runs 24/7 on 5,500 plus sites, over 205,238,332 views in our first 3,202 days. Okay, so folks, this is an incredible program, again, for those who have a desire, okay, to bring traffic and get sign up and sales to any affiliate program, any business opportunity, list building and social connections, okay, backlinking purposes, and there's a whole lot to this program. So if you look here for me, and I'm getting excited, so excuse me, because I found out how powerful this was, and I said, oh my, this program is incredible. And I'm going to say this again, because you can join this program for free, and there's a lot of free advertising with this program. Okay, now with this system I'm talking about right here, you can get your ad on hundreds of high traffic sites for a one-time super low cost, listen, of just $37 for 5 URLs for an entire year. And if you needed to change any of those, you can do that. This is incredible. This is you're gonna build any kind of business, you got any kind of service or product, this is one of the things that you surely do need. Okay, now look here for me. It says get traffic to your affiliate URLs, okay, build your business opportunity, and perfect for any network marketing business. Okay, now I'm going to leave the link to this program, okay, in the description. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to leave the link to this program in my newsletter, okay? My newsletter is the Make Money Online personal growth newsletter, okay? And it's free to sign up, and you can unsubscribe at any time, okay? And so I am going to leave the link to this system there, all right? Plus, you'll get information about my Make Money Online program, business opportunity, however we want to call it, okay? Our powerful, low-cost, high-profit potential business opportunity. It's going to be there as well. And again, it's free to sign up on my newsletter, and you can unsubscribe at any time. But this is something that if you're not looking for a business, but you want eyes on whatever you're doing, this is something you need to see, and you need to see the whole system, the whole program. All right. But there you have it, guys. I'm getting out of here. And I'm just going to wish you a very blessed and amazing, powerful day today. I'm Terry Brown. Bye-bye now.